What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Hang Seng Index futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So you see that price has been moving up higher since late January in this green upward channel, fitting pretty good on the top and bottom. Looks like we're starting to break outside on the bottom of the support of the channel and moving down lower. Reason being is that price reached the measured target, and we are at prior resistance. So it was support that turned into resistance here, and now here again. So we are at resistance, and if you zoom out a little bit more, you could draw a trend line off of the swing highs, and that's basically right where we are at. So you can see that there's this trend line force in play. So this one right here off the two swing highs, this is the third touch, and it looks like, this is going to be acting as overhead resistance with that horizontal resistance. So there's a good chance we could see a drop. Now, is it guaranteed to just do something like this right over here? No, it's not. It depends on what we see from the bears, right? If we see weakness, meaning like price is not really trying to go down, that can lead to another large leg up. If we see aggressive selling, then that tells me that we could probably see further downside. So it depends on what we see from the drop. As right now, it's looking like it's not going to be going that far down. This was the drop right here, and we can do a measure move target. So looking for probably this low $16,000 point level, 16196. That's where the target is at as of right now, and you could draw a level off of that, and it looks like price was finding support. Let me go and move that arrow. So you see support here, resistance, resistance, price pushed above it, support, support. We might get a triple test at that measuring target. That would be a bullish sign. So triple test at the measuring target. If we can break this downward trend line right over here, something like this. Hold on, let me get rid of that arrow. If we break that downward trend line, there's a good chance it's going to continue moving up higher. Probably to retest the low 17,000 point level and maybe even much higher from there. So it depends on what we get over here. Right now, I can't be certain because right now the bears are leading, and we'll see what they do. When they fail, there's incentive for the buyers to continue to drive up the price. But as right now, the bears have not shown that they are failing, but the ball is in their court. Here's a look at the weekly chart. Overall, still bearish. Below this long-term downtrend, below the EMA, we're just kind of seeing some sideways trading for the past couple of months now. So if we see that drop and we find support, let's see if we get a large move up higher from there. So overall, just bearish. Traders are just trying to find shorts instead of buying longs. Maybe short term, if you go on a smaller time frame, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah, you can take longs. But I think traders are taking shorts and holding it for the longer term, because that's what the chart is telling me. It's telling me that this is not really a buyer's market as of right now. It's looking like it's a seller's market, and prices still continue to trend down lower and lower. So we'll see when the trend reverses. Trends don't last forever. Eventually they do reverse, and we'll see what happens from there. But as right now, HSI is short-term bearish, medium-term we'll have to wait and see, and long-term, medium-term still bearish, and long-term we'll have to wait and see if the trend reverses or not. That's all I have for HSI in the daily weekly charts. It's a Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.